Welcome to Trillionaire YouTube channel. Ready to make money online by simply liking Facebook posts? Whether you're from India, the USA, Canada, Nigeria, or anywhere in the world, this method works for you. No investment needed, just a phone or laptop. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new money-making strategies. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your Facebook account. The very first thing you need is a Facebook account. If you don't already have one, head over to facebook.com and click on Create New Account. It's completely free and only takes a few minutes to set up. If you already have a Facebook account, great! You're good to go and can proceed to the next step. Step 2. Join likeforlike.org. Next, sign up for likeforlike.org, which is a platform where you can earn points by liking posts shared by other Facebook users. These points are then converted into real money or other rewards. Step 3. Collect points. This step is where the fun begins. Once you're logged into likeforlike.org, you'll start seeing posts from other users who need Facebook likes. To collect points, simply follow these steps. Step 4. Convert points to cash with cpalead.com. Now that you've accumulated points on Like4Like, it's time to convert those points into real cash. To do this, you'll need to sign up for cpalead.com. CPA stands for Cost Per Action, meaning you get paid when people take specific actions like signing up for giveaways or surveys. Here's how it works. Sign up for cpalead.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, look for offers that allow you to promote free giveaways, such as a free iPhone or gift cards. Every time someone clicks your referral link and signs up for a giveaway, you'll earn a commission. Step 5. Set up bio.fm. To make your CPA offers look professional and easier to share, set up a bio.fm account. Bio.fm allows you to create a landing page where you can add your referral links to promote your CPA offers. Here's how you set it up. Sign up for bio.fm. Once logged in, click Edit Blocks, and then add a new block to your profile. Paste your CPA-led referral link into the new block. Bio.fm will automatically create a simple professional landing page with your referral link. Step 6. Post and boost shares. Now, it's time to get your offers in front of a wider audience. Here's how you can do it. Write a compelling caption for your Facebook post. You could say something like, "Want a free iPhone 11 Pro? Enter the giveaway here." The more engaging the caption, the more likely people will click. Share your bio.fm link on your Facebook profile, in groups, or on your page. To boost the exposure of your post, go back to likeforlike.org and use the points you've earned to have other users share your post. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can start making money online by simply liking Facebook posts. This method is totally free. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, comment below with any questions or thoughts, and subscribe to the Trillionaire YouTube channel for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.